Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So we're gonna go ahead and wash the GMC. First wash of me owning it. It's got quite a bit of dirt, so we're gonna go ahead and take care of all of this. Alright guys, that was it for today's video. I think it looks much better. Got a lot of dirt off the paint, so I'm looking forward to future videos. I'll be doing the interior. I'll be detailing, possibly waxing the paint. You know, I'll be changing the tires real soon. I got those ordered, and I'll be installing those. I will also be changing the exhaust pipes. So alright guys, so I hope you guys liked the video. So subscribe to the channel for more videos of the GMC. I really do appreciate it, guys. Until next time, it's your friend Rafael. Peace.